Welcome back. Now, there are generally stable conditions governing most of the Caribbean this evening. Despite scattered low clouds across the area, there are also some clouds which have been developing across coastal areas of Jamaica in the mornings. We have been seeing some shower activity from the development of these clouds across the area, and we are expecting similar conditions to continue over the next couple of days. That's some morning clouds and some isolated showers across the Western Caribbean. A weak trough system is helping to increase cloud cover and shower activity across the general area. Now, let's have a look at the forecast for tonight. We're expecting partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across sections of the east, but generally fair conditions persist elsewhere. Temperatures drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, in the morning tomorrow, some shower activity is likely to be occurring across sections of the northeast. For the afternoon, we're looking for partly cloudy skies across most of the area with some isolated showers across inland areas. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy across most of the southeast tomorrow. Expect some afternoon showers if you're in Mapen or in Mandeville. Expect some cloudy conditions as well for the southwest in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and the Grill in the afternoon, while morning clouds and isolated showers are forecast for Port Antonio and Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, isolated showers are expected in the morning for Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, while it's partly cloudy further west in Brownstown, Falmouth, Montego Bay, and Lucy. Now, the next few days, isolated showers are expected in the afternoon on Monday as well as on Tuesday and on Wednesday. Now for the marine forecast. On the north coast tomorrow, expect winds to be out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters, while on the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting an easterly wind regime at 10 to 15 knots as wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. For offshore areas, the winds are out of the east-northeast at 15 to 20 knots. No warnings in effect, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And we're expecting similar conditions over the next few days. Easterlies 15 to 20 knots on Sunday as well as on Monday and Tuesday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:36, at 5:39 in Mandeville, and at 5:42 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.